Welcome to the ULTRIMA 54, the high-performance 5-axis 4-head CNC machining center from QUOC. The machine is capable of simultaneously processing 4 workpieces. A 2-cluster CNC system, divided into left and right sides, allows for processing the same type or different types of workpieces at the same time. The tool center point function allows you to re-enter the exact tool length without reprogramming when changes are needed. The machine shaft is designed as a cross, requiring only a 90-degree rotation for manual tool change. With a net weight of up to 7,500 kilograms, this is truly a powerful machine. The load-bearing body is welded from box tubes and laser-cut steel, then undergoes CNC processing and heat treatment after welding to ensure stability, durability, and maximum vibration reduction. The A and C axes have a travel of 360 degrees using RV gearboxes imported from Japan for high precision and rigidity, with zero backlash during machining. XY axes move via rack and pinion for high load-bearing capacity. The Z axis uses screws to achieve high precision. The spindle power reaches 5.5 kilowatts with a rotation speed of 18,000 RPM. This is a machine heavily invested in by Vietnamese export enterprises looking to boost productivity. The machine is likened to a 3D printer for woodworking shops, as it can handle all difficult 3D details such as chair frames, chair backs, and many other complex products. Choose the ULTRIMA 54 to complete your product in one go and ensure high precision. Contact us immediately for more details and to optimize your production process.